About to try the Southern Snack pickled eggs. I'm not looking forward to this. Everybody's watching. I don't know. Yeah, I'm recording, but I don't want to put this thing in my mouth. God, it smells like vinegar so bad. It's really weird.
Very vinegary?
Yeah, it's vinegary. We'll go with that. I don't know how to explain this.
You gotta take a little piece, Joe. You can't take
It's I don't know. It's really weird. Hold on, my mom's gonna try this. What do you think?
Very vinegary.
My eyes are watering. Well, what do you think?
Well, I wouldn't buy him again, but...
There you have it. Pickled eggs. Not a fan.